back to my channel. My name is Val. Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Me llamo Val. Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I come with you of what I eat in a day, and it's mostly I vlogged the times that I ate, so I'm not going to talk too much here. It's not full on recipes, so you will not see recipes and stuff like that. But if you guys would like recipes and stuff like that, I definitely have gotten creative on different foods and meals that I can eat to not get bored. So without further ado, and to not prolong this intro, let's get on with the video. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my day, kind of what I eat in a day. I'm not really vlogging my day, just more like what I eat in it. So as soon as I wake up, honestly, the time that I wake up is different every day. Not drastically different, but it is different. So, but I'm just gonna run you through what I did before, right now that it's 9:45. So, I drink water as soon as I wake up. Then, usually I drop off my mom, and when I drop off my mom, I usually sip on my green tea. I hate when I hear noises and I'm home alone. I don't like it. The green tea that I use, it's honestly, I think the most common one. You get at Walmart, Target. It's Bigelow. And I just drink that with, that's it. I just drink that. It gives me energy, it helps your metabolism. Green tea is just great. I only drink one a day, just in the morning. That is it. Now we are going to cook some breakfast. Usually what breakfast looks like for me is eggs, fruit, like a healthier fat. I usually put my eggs, I heat up my little pan and I put avocado oil so obviously my eggs don't stick. And we're gonna do the dang thing. Another little thing is when I eat, I like for it to look pretty. It just makes me happy. And now I just kind of, my egg on. And she looks really cute, look. Wow. And then I like fold her like an omelet so it doesn't take up the whole plate. Once I have my huevitos done, which is my eggs, I'm going to chop up some strawberries, blueberries, and maybe raspberries. Guys, I've been watching on TikTok all these bugs that are coming out of fruit. Wash your fruit. This is my typical breakfast. I honestly change it out. Maybe instead of this, it would be like avocado, or instead of this, it would be fried instead of scrambled. Honestly, it's just different. Instead of this, I would be like eating like a mandarin. It honestly changes up, but it's usually like the same thing. Okay guys, so we just finished working out. I work out with my aunt every single, well no, I try every day, but it just doesn't happen. My goal is to do 3 to 4 times a week. And then we watch this trainer right here. I'm gonna put his Instagram. Guys, when I tell you, you will sweat, you will cry, but he definitely keeps you motivated. He is awesome. So I'm gonna leave his little app right here so you guys can watch his lives. And that's what we do most of the week. So yeah, so the protein that I drink here at my aunt's house is this one that she has. It is Sasha Fitness Isolate protein, and it honestly tastes really good. So we just drink it with water like this, and I just chug it. Guys, I just don't like the taste of protein, period. Huh? It's okay. Guys, I'm not the biggest fan of the taste of protein, but this one, honestly, it's one of the best ones that I've tried. And the one that I have at home, I'm just trying to finish it, but I'm not the biggest fan. It's okay, but this one's better, so I'm probably gonna get this one after I finish the one at home. And yeah, just enjoying me kind of chugging it. So now I got ready for the day. I showered and all that stuff. Now my snack, honestly, it could be a fruit, but I've been loving these little, like, that's my aunt. So these little cookies, there's 3 of them, really thin, really good. So this is what I eat as a snack, and then after that I'm gonna have lunch. All right guys, I am back from eating, not from eating, but I ate the almond thin cookies, which are these. They're the cranberry almond cookies. I get them at Costco, and it comes with about 75 of them, or wait, 25 packs, and then each pack has 3. I snack a lot, but I don't snack meaninglessly. They're things that honestly, you know, are nutrient full. I also usually get rice cakes. There's the caramel ones, and then there's the regular lightly salted ones. And then I just put peanut butter on top, and I put some fruits. Or what I'm gonna snack right now are these Quaker little pop. Okay, after my aunt scared me from opening the door because I forgot to lock it, I was saying that I eat the Quaker cheddar little thingies. They literally taste so good, guys. And I'm a big snacker. I'm not saying I'm the healthiest person where I literally fill my body up with the most nutrients in the whole wide world, but I do make a conscious effort to fill my body up with good things that it helps my body, you know, physically, but as well as mentally. Hi, Ellie. Hi. So yeah, I'm eating that. My meal, my big like lunch / dinner meal is gonna come later on, and I'll show you guys exactly that. I probably might not make it today. Probably gonna go out with my family because they're in town, but that is usually what I eat. Again, only like 2 big meals a day, my breakfast and then my lunch / dinner, and that is pretty much it, guys. So I had a couple of meetings that I had to attend to and all that stuff. So my lunch / dinner is a little bit late. Usually I don't eat this late. 6:07, you guys can't really tell. It is 6:07, and what I'm eating is, I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm eating in my bed because I'm with my little cousin. Say hi, Sophie. Hi. And we're just watching a little bit of James Charles and just kind of like winding down, chilling out, because it's that time of the month and we just really just don't want to be anywhere but my bed. So this is what I'm eating. Usually don't eat a lot of rice, but I was craving rice and I was like, why not? I worked out today, super good. And honestly, the days that I work out, I try to elevate my calories because I am burning a lot. I eat meat and some rice and then just a salad, my veggies and stuff. It has cucumber, tomato, spinach, and then a little bit of balsamic vinegar, and that, I think that's pretty much it. I want to go ahead and just kind of preface saying that my relationship with food is the best that it's ever been. I've never had a really bad relationship with food, but I've never had the best relationship with food. To lose weight, I do not restrict myself. Like, I'm not like, oh, I can't eat sweets, oh, I can't eat that, oh, I can't eat pizza, I can't eat this. No, I eat everything, but everything in moderation. If I usually used to eat 3 slices, I'm only gonna eat 1 slice, you know, just to kind of satisfy that craving. And it's not all the time, but honestly, guys, when I tell you that food is fuel. Food is fuel. So once you get that into your mind, you're gonna start to want to give your body good things that make it feel energized, things that make it feel like, wow, I can conquer the world. Seeing it as fuel, seeing it as a good thing. Like, honestly, I've seen the scale drop numbers, but at the same time, I'm also building muscle with the routine that I've developed and that I am constantly developing. So I don't see the numbers drastically going down, and I'm okay with it. I'm okay because I know that my body is in shape. Honestly, I'm in the best shape of my life, and my endurance and my strength is far beyond what I ever could have thought, and I'm still getting there, you know, I'm still growing and I'm still working out and all that stuff, but I do it for my mental health mostly over anything. Yes, physical benefits are amazing, and I just want to encourage you guys to go on that healthy journey of having a healthy relationship with food. I know for me it was a long process to do that. Like, my first year of college, I gained 20 pounds and I would eat ramen noodles, corn dogs, lots of chips, lots of pizza. And not that those things are bad. I don't think they're bad at all, but I would eat them in excess, so much of it. I'm gonna be doing a lot more videos of food and like fitness and all that stuff. Never would you ever see me being like an actual trainer, because I know. But I do want to take you guys along this journey of not only weight loss, because that's not the emphasis, but just leading a healthy lifestyle, not only in the way that I eat, the way that my body moves, but in the way that I present myself, the way that my spiritual health is, my mental, my emotional health. So I want to take you along that journey, and just kind of the preface of all this channel is to explore beauty in the depths of what it is, into the depths of our creator. And so I'm just really excited. So yeah, guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found something helpful, and was able to be like, okay, like more or less like what I eat throughout the day, and if you were curious. But yes, so that is the end of this video. I also want to go ahead and note that I do post a lot more food recipes, I guess you can say, not super often, but I do it, and I update you guys quite a bit on my Instagram story. So if you haven't followed me already, then go ahead and follow my social medias, which is gonna be right here on the screen, and I would love to be friends with you over there and chat with you and have just a great time. So I love you guys, and I keep saying that probably, and I'll see you guys in my next video.